they speak this different altitude, depends on the food, it is higher. Probably there are also 12 feet. Depends. That's the fortress of San Felix. Remember, all the fortresses built by Spain in America, they have the same name. The second biggest fortress built by Spain in America, it is in Puerto Rico. Its name is El Morro. San Felipe del Morro. Also, if you look on your right side, you can see a house on top of the hill. You see that house on top of the hill over there? That's a monastery. And that house, it was built 1606. 1606. Belonged to the Agustinians in Cartagena. We have Agustinians, Jesuits, Dominicans, Francis, St. Clair, St. John, and St. Peter. Plus this is the city wall. This part of the city wall. Dale un poquitico más allá a la antigua allá y nos damos la vuelta. Ya nos damos la vuelta. This is one of the most beautiful buildings in Cartagena. That's one of the look how big is the terraza. This one of the
Babe.
Big
Important stuff on that
nice
side. It's
view
recording.
of the ocean.
Nice back.
Also, you can see waving over there the flag of Colombia, yellow, blue, and red. The yellow color means gold because we have gold mines. The blue color means the two oceans of the sky. Colombia is the only country in South America with the two coastlines, the Caribbean and the Pacific, which is divided by Panama. And the red color means blood. In the year 1888, the French, they tried to build the Panama Canal and they couldn't, they died. How many? 22,000. Who killed them? The mosquitoes, the yellow fever. In the year 1903, the Americans, they went to finish the Panama Canal, and the first thing they did was killing Anopheles. Anopheles is a female mosquito. How did the Americans kill the mosquito? They spread this fuel into the lakes to suffocate the mosquito eggs, and they finished the Panama Canal in the year 1915. So between Panama and Colombia, there is a jungle called El Darién. So people from Bangladesh, from India, from Venezuela, they come to Colombia, they go through the jungle, leaving Panama, Central America, Mexico, and the United States. Of course, illegally.